Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Visual Studio and loading the exact solution you will modify. Once done, make sure the image files are inside the project's Assets or Resources folder. Install or enable any image or machine learning extensions you need. They speed up background removal. Create a small test file and commit a backup branch before changing code. This prevents accidental data loss and lets you iterate quickly while keeping your workspace reproducible. Next, you add the image libraries via NuGet or npm and wire them into a small routine that creates an alpha mask and applies thresholding or semantic segmentation. This is the core removal step. Once coded, set breakpoints and run in debug so you can inspect intermediate bitmaps and masks. If using a model, load weights and preprocess images to the required size. Make adjustments to thresholds and kernel sizes until the mask cleanly isolates the subject. Finally, export the processed image as a PNG with alpha and inspect edges. If they look harsh, apply a small feather or morphological open slash close to smooth them. Once satisfied, integrate the routine into a tool window or build task so you can run it fast on multiple files. If things go wrong, check file paths, image format, model input dimensions, and package versions first. These are the most common issues and usually the quickest to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.